Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. This one is in the administrative support field, and it is part-time, but it is very high paying if you do have these skills and don't mind administrative support. The links, if you want to apply, are in the YouTube description box below. But the company Analytic Mechanics Associates, they are looking for someone to work part-time as an administrative support specialist to help their information technology. So this role will take on technical task of managing basic websites and information systems. The salary range for this position is $30 to $33 an hour. Of course, it says, this position can be done remotely. So this is a technical administrative assistant. You assist with the general administration support of IT and their AMA labs department. You'll be creating, managing, and supporting the expense authorizations and expense reports for the IT department. You'll be dealing with shipping and receiving, hardware inventory and updates, assisting in scheduling meetings for the executives in person and on site. You assist in taking notes and assigning tasks during those meetings. You'll assist in reviewing documents that are created by individuals in the IT and AMA lab departments. You'll edit those documents, any kind of just administrative needs that they are going to do. You will also manage IT credit card receipts and purchase requisitions. So when the executives are making purchases using company credit cards, so you'll have to use a password manager and email and SharePoint to collect all of the data and do all of the administrative work with that data. Now, if you are interested in that, you do have to be a U.S. citizen. They are not hiring outside of the United States. They want someone who has experience with general administrative assistance. If you have a bookkeeping experience and 3 to 5 years of relevant experience working in some kind of enterprise environment, they do need someone who has strong communication skills and can use Microsoft Office. Alright, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping a lookout when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.